Hey there, ninth grade Apollos. Welcome to Sunset. I'm Mrs. Cassinelli. I am the library and instructional technology teacher. And in this video today, I'm going to quickly show you how to find ebooks and print books that you can read for choice reading for language arts class. So I'm going to show you two different ways to get there. The first one would just to be start on the Sunset webpage like you have here. Just Google Sunset High School and you'll come to our page. Click here on academics and then just go to the library link. From there, you're going to get three choices of things to do. How to find books in our collection at the Sunset Library. Yes, new this year, you're going to actually be able to check out print books or to find ebooks. So that's the one I'm going to start with. Let's go ahead and borrow ebooks. What this is going to do is open to our Sora ebook app for the Beaverton School District. This is an app that allows you to download ebooks and audiobooks right on your Chromebook. And so if you are looking through here, you click on one of the books. If it looks interesting to you, then you just click borrow and it just shows up right on your Chromebook and you can read it, flip your Chromebook over into tablet mode and read it right on there. If the book is out, somebody else hasn't checked it out, you'll have the ability to put it on hold or you can add it to your own personal reading list. You do have an option to read a sample, see other books by the author, or maybe see other books that are similar to this book. I love the Sora ebook collection because not only do they have books, but down here they also have audiobooks. So I like to put it on my phone. I like to put the Sora app on my phone and then listen to an audiobook like when I'm walking or cleaning a house or something like that. What's great about the Sora ebook collection is you get it right away today. You don't have to wait for it to be sent to you. And if you're really smart, you'll add your Washington County library to the Sora collection, and now you get twice as many books as from the collection. I'm sure you'll enjoy browsing through the Sora collection. We have all kinds of books, graphic novels, romance, history, nonfiction, even some books in Spanish. Now, the other one that I wanted to show you is how to find books. This is new this year. You're going to actually be able to find physical books in our school library, and our library assistants will pull them off the shelf, check them out to you, and put your name on it, and drop it by for curbside pickup every Wednesday after school. So this is how you search for books in our library catalog. You're going to click here on the Find Books link. It's going to open you up to the Sunset Library catalog. This first page is just some hints from the district librarians on like how to place a book on hold, what we're doing right now. Click on the word catalog and then just search what you're looking for. So maybe last year you started a graphic novel at your school library and you wanted to see if we have any more in the series. And so you just search. If you see an E in a box like this, that means that graphic novel is actually available in Sora, so you can click on it and open and see if you can check it out right away. If not, you're going to look for these book icons, and these book icons will show you whether the book is available in print at our school. So if you are logged in, right here, you will see a book that says Hold It. So you will have to be logged in. If you're on your Chromebook, it automatically logs you in. If you're not on your Chromebook, you will have to click on that and log in with your username and password. That way you can put several print books on hold and drop by the library checkout to get those books. And then the last thing I wanted to show you is on your freshman class of 2024 Canvas page, I do have some library information on that page also. You can click here on library resources, and from that page you will see a whole bunch of information that I have about how to find books, and I even have links this year on how to get to Sora and how to access the library catalog. If you want some specific information, reading resources for distance learning, I kind of put them all on one page together. And it's the links to Sora. It has like a little slideshow here that will start up in a minute that will have some featured books that are recommended on Sora. How to reserve your books, how to get information from Washington County, and then down here, who the library staff is. This is me, Mrs. Colette Cassinelli. You can send me an email if you need any help. And then Miss Ritchie and Miss Bothwell are the library assistants who will be picking your books for you off the shelf after you put them on hold and putting them by curbside pickup. Anyway, I just wanted to give you kind of a quick introduction, and I'm hoping to meet you in class face-to-face in Zoom. If not, until then, feel free to email me if you have any questions. I look forward to meeting you.